Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn how to install PostgreSQL database on Ubuntu system and create a Postgres user. So let's start with it. Okay, so to install the Postgres, you need to run the command you can see on my screen, that is sudo apt install PostgreSQL libpq-dev. Okay, however, I'm not going to run this command in this lecture. Why? Because I already have PostgreSQL installed in my system. However, because it takes some time, so that's why I already installed it on my system, and then I'm showing you this command only. You can run this command on your terminal. Okay, and this will install a recent version of Postgres on your Linux system or your Ubuntu system. Okay, once you're done with this installing Postgres, you need to create a Postgres user, because the Postgres installation doesn't set up a user for you, so you need to create this user manually. Okay, and to create a user manually in your system, what you need to do, you need to run this command you can see on my screen, that is sudo -u postgres create user. Okay, and then your username, here you can see new underscore postgres underscore user, so this will be your username. Okay, however, feel free to change this username according to your choice. Okay, and replace this new postgres user and use the -s option. Okay, with -s option, you can allow your users to have role like super user. So when you use this -s option, your Postgres user will be able to create databases, create tables and all that. Okay, and now let's try creating a user in the Postgres in system. Okay, so I can show you this command on my terminal. So first switch to the terminal, and here what you need to do, you need to run sudo and then -u, sorry, Postgres, and then create user. Okay, and then your username must come here. So for example, I can use, let's say, Ravi Postgres. Okay, and then, sorry, Postgres, and then let's use the -s option. Okay, and this will create a user for you in the Postgres. Okay, now what you need to do, once the Postgres user has been created, it's time for you to change the password for this user. And to change the password for an existing user, what you can do, just need to log in into the Postgres shell using this command sudo -u postgres psql, and then you need to uh, change the password like postgres equal to, and then password for what user you want to change the password. Okay, so just switch to the terminal again, and now we need to open the Postgres console first. So here you can do sudo -u and then postgres psql. Okay, and then psql. Okay, and you can see that we are now into the Postgres terminal. Okay, and here what you need to do, that password, and then for what user you want to change the password. Okay, since you might have multiple users, so you need to provide the username here that you recently created. Here I created Ravi Postgres, so I'm using this user here. Okay, so what I can do, I just need to run this command now, and here you can see that it will show you the template like enter new password for user Ravi Postgres. Okay, so you need to provide your password here. Okay, and then you need to enter it again. Okay, and when you enter it again, it must match the password you provided first time. Okay, so choose the password of your choice. Okay, and here you can see that I set the password for this user. Okay, and that's it. So in this lecture, we learn how to install Postgres on Ubuntu and create a Postgres user and set password for it. Okay, in the next lecture, we will learn how we can list the users in Postgres. Okay, and till then, tata, goodbye, take care and stay safe. Okay, by the way, before saying stay safe, what I need to show you one thing, that how you will exit from this Postgres console. So what you need to do, put a /q. Okay, and when you press the enter, you will get out of the Postgres console. Okay, so now try this lecture at your end, install the Postgres, create a Postgres user for you, and in the next lecture we will display the list of Postgres users. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and tata, goodbye, take care.